we started grinding already. We're grinding some ear corn to make cattle feed. And so we picked all that corn for feed, and we either feed it to the chickens or we feed it to the cattle. And so I'll show you the grinder, and we put the big screen in, so the biggest holes possible to grind, to mix up the feed for the ones that we're fattening out to eat. So I'll take you over and show you. I'm not sure, but he's going to get the skid loader and we're going to unload all of this corn that we just ground into the mixer wagon, and then we're going to put the pellets and the oats in there for the feed. So I'll show you. He's bringing out the mixer wagon right now. We're going to unload this, but sorry if the volume isn't good. It's the best I can do. Gosh, that wind is wicked. We were just dumping the bags of pellets into the bucket, and he's dumping them in there like that. Starting to sprinkle, so hopefully we can get done fast. We just have oats left after this pellets. 2 more bags of pellets. Nate already had the oats in the wagon. He took some out of the bin, so it's a lot easier just to load them right into the skid steer and dump them in. And we're just going to let this mix for a little bit, and we'll have some happy cattle. Well, we ended up getting that feed mix like just in time. It started sprinkling a little bit when we were putting the pellets in, so I wasn't certain how it was going to go, but as you can see behind me, the rains are coming, so I'm really glad we got it mixed. We are out of feed, but it was just like, oh, Nate's home from work today and we may as well mix feed because it was nice out, and then all of a sudden it started looking like it was going to rain. So we got it done, and so thanks for watching. You all have a great day.